what's up guys? So today I had a decent day trading, at least for a Monday. I don't know why, I just struggle sometimes on Mondays and Fridays. Today the stock that I played, one of the tickers was SQ. So SQ seemed like it was heading higher. So on the drop, on the pullback, I see that there is some level of support here, and also on the 5 minute, you can see there's actually 2 levels of support there. So I took it on the long side. Not to mention on the 15 minute too, it just bumped right above the moving average. So I took it on the long side. It popped, and then it kind of came back down and went up again. I saw it struggling, and so that's where I decided to just get out. Like I said, on the 15 minute, it did pop above the moving average, but sometimes, you break through, but you just don't have the momentum to go all the way and you drop back down. This is basically what happened. It dropped all the way down. Originally, I was going to get in at 255 something, 256. I didn't. I was had a little FOMO here, so I went in long, above a little too much above where I should have gotten in, and then so on the pop I just got all out. Otherwise, if I had it here with a better entry, I would have been able to take advantage of this pretty big run. But it is what it is. I'm happy with that move. And then later I just watched the stock. It just bounced around a bit, and then I had a level set up here, 265. Accidentally went in too large, so I scouted out pretty quickly, and got all out. And it's a good thing because the stock kept on running up. And now that it's above the moving average, this is a good level of support. It seems like it's holding, so we'll see. Maybe if it gets up above the daily level, I have a daily level marked here at 277, so maybe if it gets around there, I'll short it again. But otherwise, I'm pretty much done for the day, so we'll see. NIO, I took it on the short side here as it dropped. Took it on the short side, and then I decided it wasn't worth my while, so I just got out. Very tiny profit, and then I gave back the money and some. Here, when it did a double bottom, but on the way down, this is a weak stock. It's looking weak, so I was short biased. Took it on the short side, but I kept a very close stop out, just because double bottoms, it could just make a reversal run. I didn't think it would be a reversal because it's already hit the VWAP earlier in the day, so I was thinking like this might be a dump. It didn't dump. It just actually it just made its way back up. So very glad I kept the stop loss very tight. I did take a big size 500 shares on the way up. Just got out. So I gave back some money there. SPCE, I played it a few times, took it on the long side, got stopped out, long side again, and then I set the stop much further apart, got stopped out, and then this time, as it came back up, holding this level, went long, added to it. It did drop below that, but now I'm not as phased out by it. And then on the run up, I just got all out just because this was a pretty weak stock. It didn't look like it was going to make it to VWAP. It actually did not, as you can see. So I'm very happy with this play. I basically got back most of the money that I lost on the previous two losses, so kind of made it back up. So that was that, and then of course we talked about SQ, talked about NIO, and then Dash. So Dash, I thought about taking it here, but because it was above the moving average, I wasn't comfortable. So instead, I took it on the long side, on the bump, when it hit this moving average on the 5 minute, corresponding to another moving average. But it didn't really do anything. It was just like, chopping around. And so when it made a pretty big run here, I just decided to get out before I get chopped. And so that's basically what happened. Is it got pushed back down further, and then it's sort of chopping around here. But yeah, that's it. So that's my my Monday. Hopefully folks are doing well, and stay green, stay healthy, and we'll chat next time. Peace out.